Hey boys and girls, it's Ms.Dahlia here at the Reading Station, and tonight we're going to be looking at the story Rain, Rain, Go Away, and it's adapted by Russell Punter and illustrated by Katya Longji. So let's take a look and see if you like it. Rain, Rain, Go Away, adapted by Russell Punter, illustrated by Katya Longji. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Drip, drop, down it pours. Can it wait till we're indoors? Splish, splash, watch your step. Muddy puddles make us wet. Trickle, dribble, there it goes. In my fur and down my nose. Tweet, too, don't you know? Water helps our gardens grow. Up pop little shoots, sucking water through their roots. They make food that's good to munch. Come inside and have some lunch. Rain, rain, you're okay. Come on down, don't go away. The end. Well guys, I hoped you liked it because I sure did. Until next time here at the Reading Station, see you real soon. Bye bye.